Welcome to another getSoapy 2-minute tour. Today we're looking at pricing categories and how they can make your life easier while making your business more professional. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock and jump in. Pricing categories are useful for two things: quotes and invoices. Let's set up a new pricing category now. We go into settings and under work choose pricing categories. You'll see we've got a pricing category in here for gutter cleaning. It's got a call out price, a price per metre, a price for drone roof inspection. We're going to add a new category for traditional window cleaning, so we pick the window cleaning service, give it a name and description. Now I can add items. I'm going to add ground floor windows at £2 each and first floor windows at £1 each, both priced individually. I'm also going to add a first cleaning surcharge at £10, priced as a total only. Now let's see how we can use these. I'm going to jump over to Johnny, my customer here, who's requested a quote for window cleaning. Let's imagine we're at his property now, walking around looking at the windows. Now when I add an itemization to his quote, I can tick all the items we just created and it adds one of each item onto his quote. Now as we walk around the property looking at the different windows, I can just tap the plus icon beside each item to add an extra one onto the quote, and you can see it adds up automatically as I go. Now it turns out Johnny's windows haven't been cleaned in a long time and they're really bad, so I'm going to edit that first cleaning surcharge and just change the price from £10 to an extra £20. Let's save this and jump over to the quote widget, which is what Johnny will see. We have another video all about the quote widget, so check that out for more information. But as you can see here, Johnny can see the price, but more importantly, he can open this and see a nice branded document with all the information we've just created. And it's also got the payment terms, it's got contact details, it's got all the information you want to put on there. This is really useful, especially for commercial quotes where they might need to sign this document or keep it for their records. When Johnny clicks accept on this quote, we can convert him to a customer and all this information gets converted over and will become the invoice after every clean. That's how pricing categories with getSoapy can make your life easier and your business more professional. Drop us a follow so you don't miss out on the next 2-minute tour. Thanks for watching, have a good one.